Welcome to session 3 of your training module, where I'm giving you instructions on instructing a barrister in court. Well, as you know, this entire training program is about your practical skills, but I think that the topic that we're going to cover in this session is probably one of the most pragmatic segments of the lot. Because even though there's loads of advocacy and court training, nobody ever really pays much attention to getting you prepared for how to handle the adjournments. As I said at the end of the last session, when you're in the role of instructing solicitor, adjournments are so much more than just the breaks between the formal parts of the day's proceedings. Naturally enough, when you're headed up to court, everybody's pretty focused on the hearing itself, but you're going to need to know what to do for the whole of the day, not just the bits when you're safely tucked away in the courtroom at the bar table. Otherwise, you could be left feeling pretty clueless about what's going on around you, which isn't going to be of much help when your clients are tugging on your sleeve and saying, "What's happening now?" So rather than leaving you standing around scratching your head, wondering what on earth you're supposed to be doing, let's get you properly prepared in advance with your list of 10 things a new lawyer needs to know about adjournments. First off, if you're going to be able to explain to your client what to expect, then you'll need to know a few facts and figures yourself before you do. Usually a hearing will commence at 10 a.m. Sometimes it might be 9:30, but you will have checked the court list, so you'll be clear about that. There'll be a morning tea adjournment somewhere around the 11:30 mark. If a barrister is about to start on a new topic at 11:25, you'll probably hear them say, "Your Honour, I noticed the time," which is code for, "Should we stretch our legs and have a cup of tea before I move on to the next point?" At 1 o'clock, you'll break for lunch, usually until about 2 p.m, and after that, you'll continue through until 4. But even that's not set in stone because often the court will continue after 4 p.m, so that a witness's evidence can be completed or to wrap up legal argument on a point, something like that.